Welcome to Bird English.
Madam, we are from Wealthy Wealth Bank. We are here to take our money. You did not pay the loan. It has been many months.
Talk to my husband. He will pay the loan. He earns money. I only spend it.
I went to his office. He is in jail. He is accused of corruption.
That is not true. Nobody can arrest him.
I am serious. Arnold is in jail. He sold bad cement. That is a crime in this country.
What? This is not real. How will I enjoy my life now? How will I buy expensive things?
That is not my problem. You must pay the loan. Or leave this house. You also did not pay rent.
Please don't do this. This is a mistake. My husband will come back. Please give us time.
We already gave you 2 months. We will not wait more. Please leave or I will call the police.
Come, children, let us go.
Officer, Victor is lying. He is the real mastermind. Please arrest him.
Are you corrupt or not?
Yes. I made a mistake.
Then keep quiet.
But sir, Victor is devil. He is still selling bad cement. He is still free.
You are the main criminal. We have proof.
Please listen to me.
Nobody trusts a corrupt man.
What have I done? My children must be waiting. I miss Emma and Jerry. Oh God, please help me.
You want this house again?
Yes, Uncle Jacob. We need a house. Arnold is in jail. We were forced to leave our house. We want this house again. Please give it to us.
But how will you pay rent? Arnold is in jail.
He will come back soon. We will pay you later. But now we need a house. My children need a place to sleep.
No, Katrina, I cannot do that. Go try another place. I will rent this house to people who can pay.
I will pay their rent.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Then pay the advance.
Here is the money.
Okay, you can stay here now.
Kids, I am going inside.
Thank you, Lily Auntie.
You are welcome, Emma. I love you and your brother.
Sorry, my mom is not kind to you.
It is okay. I only care about you children. Go home and rest. I will bring food soon.
Manager, please help me. Oh, do not want to be poor.
I cannot do anything.
Please, I am forced to take Lily's help. I do not like her. But I have no choice. I must take her help.
There is one way to get rich, but it is not easy.
I will do anything. I want to be rich again. I do not like this poor life. Tell me what to do.
I know one rich couple. They do not have children. They want to adopt children. They will pay you money.
Okay. Tell me the time and place.
You said, yes, very fast. Do you not love your children?
I am their stepmother. Some stepmothers are good. But I am not. I am a bad stepmother.
I will send you the address. Bring the children. You will get your reward.
I will come.
Good work, Victor. Arnold is in jail. And you're free.
Nobody knows you are the real boss.
I used Arnold. I knew his weakness. He wanted fast money.
You're a smart man, Victor. You know how to use people.
Yes.
What about your business? Will you sell bad cement again?
I have another factory. It is near the lake. No one knows it is mine. I will sell bad cement from there.
You are a genius.
Yes, a real genius. Sir, I was at a business meeting. Arnold was right. Victor is the real boss. He has a factory outside the city. He sells bad cement.
Oh my God. Arnold was telling the truth. I must tell the police.
What is this place, Mom?
This is my uncle's house. He will help us. He will give us clothes and food.
I do not like this place. I want to go home.
Don't be silly, Jerry. This is a rich house. They have many nice things.
Welcome, Katrina Madam. We need to talk.
Kids, go inside and play. I will talk to my aunt. Do you like the children?
Yes, they are sweet and healthy. I will take good care of them.
First, give me the money.
Manager, transfer $2 million to her.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Please check your account.
I trust you. Nice doing business with you.
What is happening?
We should go outside and look.
Where is our mom?
She will come back soon. I will give you ice cream.
I think something is wrong.
Yes, everything feels wrong.
So Victor is the real boss.
Yes, he has a factory. He still sells bad cement.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Inspector, go and check.
Yes, sir.
Load the trucks. Send the cement fast. Hurry up.
Victor, why are you in a hurry?
What are you doing here, Inspector?
I am here to arrest you. Arnold was right. You are the real boss. You are making bad cement.
Inspector, I can pay you. I will give you lots of money.
Keep your money. I do not take bribes. I am an honest man. You are under arrest.
So much money. And it is all mine. I always wanted to be rich. Thanks to those two children. They were useless to me. But they proved to be valuable. This is so exciting. I have no idiot husband. I have no dirty little children. And a lot of money to spend. What should I do with this money? Buy a new house. A nice sports car. A beach house. There is a lot to do. Yes, I have an idea. I will go to a nice 5-star hotel. I will stay there for a while. Then I will decide what to do. Driver, take me to the best 5-star hotel.
Yes, ma'am.
Arnold, we are releasing you. Victor was the real mastermind. He was the one selling bad cement. You are free to go.
Thank you, Inspector.
But you have to testify against Victor.
What is testify, sir?
You have to tell the court about Victor. You are a main witness.
I will do it, sir. Thank you for releasing me.
Thank Daniel. He told us about Victor's factory.
Thank you so much, Daniel, sir.
It is my duty, Arnold. You are an honest man. You made just one mistake. Everybody should be allowed one mistake.
Can I get my job back?
Sure, you can come back from tomorrow.
Where are my children, sir? Where are Emma and Jerry?
I don't know. The bank took back your house. And your old house is empty.
Then where are they? I must call Katrina. Hello? Where are you, Katrina? Where are Emma and Jerry?
I am free now, Arnold. I have got money now. Let me enjoy. The children are fine. Don't worry. Most importantly, you are a criminal. You should stay away from me. And you should stay away from the children.
Please tell me where they are. I miss them. I want to meet my kids.
They don't want to meet their criminal father. So just go to hell. Never call me again. I am blocking your number.
Hello? Hello? Katrina? Inspector, I need your help. Please find my children.
Clean the floor neat and clean. I want to see the floor shining. And you, girl. You have to wash my clothes after this. Hurry up.
Please give us something to eat.
You want food? Not now. First do all the work.
Give something to my brother. He is too young. Just a little something.
I gave you dinner last night.
That was just one piece of bread. Please, we have been working for long.
No food until you do your work. Come on, hurry up.
Bring me the most expensive food. The most expensive drinks. The most expensive dresses. Everything expensive and classic.
But madam, that will cost thousands of dollars.
Money is not a problem. I have $2 million. I can buy anything.
Sure, madam. I will bring everything expensive right now.
You better hurry up. I don't like to wait.
Sure, madam. She seems stupid, with a lot of money. That money will be mine. Sir, there is a woman. She has $2 million, but she looks like an idiot. We can take her money easily.
Really?
She looks like a newly rich woman.
Listen to my plan.
Their names are Emma and Jerry.
Do you have their photo?
Yes, it's here. I will send it to you.
I will find them soon. Don't worry.
Find my wife, Katrina. She knows about them for sure.
I understand, Arnold. I also have a son. I will soon find your children. They must be here in this city.
I don't know where they are. They must be missing me.
I miss Dad. Where is he? Why is he not coming to get us?
He will find us. I know he must be trying.
But he is in jail. How will he find us?
These are the two children.
I will take the boy with me. I need a boy.
I will keep the girl. She washes the clothes nicely.
I will come tomorrow to take the boy.
Madam, here are your dresses, food, and drinks.
I love it. I love it a lot.
Your bill is $3 million.
No problem. What? 3 million? But how?
You said the most expensive dresses and drinks. This wine bottle is 1.5 million. This dress is 1 million. The total is 3 million.
Then take it back. I have only 2 million.
Can't take it back, madam. You have to pay for them.
Why? What is your problem? I have not tried these dresses. I have not opened the wine bottles. And I have not even touched this food.
These dresses are made on order, according to your size. These dresses are not returnable. This food is made by an Italian chef. His charges are very expensive, and these wine bottles are from France. They cannot be returned.
Yes, ma'am. These are made according to you. One spot, they cannot be returned. You are rich, you know. Pay or we will have to call the police.
No need for that. Yes, I am rich. But I have only 2 million.
Then give me $2 million now. Go home and bring the rest.
Okay, take this. Here, I have transferred it.
Thank you and goodbye. She is never coming back.
Silly woman.
These are just copies of expensive dresses, and this wine is ordinary. She was just showing off. She knew nothing.
Let us divide her money.
Oh yes.
Oh my God. What have I done? I have lost all my money. I have nowhere to go. Why did I show off? I am so stupid.
Auntie will send me somewhere else. Please, Emma, do something.
We have to make a plan. We will call Dad.
But how? Auntie will not give us her phone.
We will take her phone when she showers. I have seen her phone lock.
Let us go. She is taking a bath. Take the phone. Call Dad. Hurry.
Dad, we are here. Save us.
Emma, where are you?
I don't know, but I am sending this phone's location. You can track it and come.
Yeah, all right. Stay there, I am coming.
What are you doing with my phone?
Oh, I am so hungry. What should I do? I have nothing. I have ruined my life. Arnold was right. Life was good when we were poor. At least we had food and a home. Now look at me. What have I done? I have lost everything.
I will beat you now.
Kids?
Dad.
You are under arrest, miss.
We love you, Dad.
Yeah, we love you so much.
I love you, my children. You are my real treasure. I don't need expensive things. I love to be with you. That's my reward. Let us go home.